Yes, family, good morning and give thanks to another great rise. Yeah, man, we're out here again. Yeah, we're gonna do some adventures today. You ready, man?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, today we're gonna do some fishing, you know. Yeah, man, it's a while now we not do some fishing, but you know, other than cooking, yeah, man, fishing is my next love, you know. Well, next to Lynn anyway. So, I'll check out this boat trip and see what I go on. Yeah, man, so we can catch an idea. Yeah, man, so I go on, stay tuned and join the fun we do, you know. Yeah, man, we'll see you shortly. Alright? This is where we're going. This is nice. Need some of this thick grass from my yard.
I got a little mowing to do.
Yeah.
So this is Bakken Creek.
Okay.
This is called the Back Creek. That's like a peninsula there on the other side of the main creek.
Okay.
You're good. Just walk right across. Want me to get your bags or anything? I can do that.
Good. Good. Any day is a good day to go fishing.
If you
Oh,
want
if
to
it's
set
not
your
rain.
stuff up front, you can.
Okay. Here. Outstanding. Where you want to sit? You good right there? You comfortable?
I'll give you a little safety tutorial here.
Okay.
So right here behind this door right here, there's a bathroom.
Got it.
There's a foot pedal on the floor.
Yep.
Right on the side. Flush, and there's toilet paper in there. Needs it. Up here, underneath here, there's all the life vests and everything.
Okay.
And then underneath this seat here, there's an AED, first aid kit, trauma kit, flares, missiles.
Missiles, all right. Everything we need.
Anything that we would need. And while we're cruising out, if you guys want, this is kind of where we're going to go today. We are coming out of this creek right here. We're like right where that sea is. We're going to come out and go across and go up here, and there's a bunch of pool, like holes up here around Pools Island. We're going to fish there, and then there's another spot here, and then there's another spot here, and there's another spot over there. So there's
Outstanding. I'm ready. I'm excited. It's been a minute.
So in the creek, I can only go 6 knots until we get out of the creek. So you're more than welcome to stay up here, take pictures, swim around. But once we get going, we're going to be going like 40 miles an hour, so you're going to want to come in
Yeah.
the back and sit. Someone can sit there, someone can stand, or someone can sit in the back seat.
Okay. Too easy.
All right? If you have any questions, just ask.
All right, thank you. All right, we're getting ready to roll. Lynn?
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready as I get.
You're not gonna get seasick today, right?
No promises.
Okay. If anything, just put bait in the water. We'll catch more fish.
That's what you said the last time.
Yeah. So as you can see, nice looking area. That one. And all goes well, we might end up coming back to this location here.
Eventually, I'm going to start going over there.
Okay.
They're in a safe spot.
Good, Lynn? You need a seatbelt? No, there's no seatbelt on the
I
boat.
know.
Just hold on tight. You'll be fine. Good to go. A lot of pollen in the water. Good. Warm.
I know.
All right, family, we are headed out to sea. So now, that it comes to the alley, all right? Past the Key Bridge over there. It's the one that got knocked over by the boat on the ship. On this side, way in the distance over there is the Hay Bridge. Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Need a second patch.
Don't start.
We're gonna patch you up. We're gonna patch you up, say. Yeah, just need that wet weather jacket. Just a little sprinkle. It's good for the body.
I'm marking some fish, so that's a good sign.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Fish in the water. Ready to fish, Lynn? Ready to haul some big fish in? It's ready. Let's get to it. the same thing every year.
Yeah, it is, right? I don't understand. Make it there. It's seaweed on it.
Yeah, they have some good options this year too.
Why don't you just let that one go straight
down.
Just flick it out a little bit.
Pretty deep right here.
Yeah. Yep. They sometimes like these deeper pockets this time of year.
What kind of bird is that?
Offspring.
Offspring. It's a huge nest. A lot of fish down there. Good morning. Don't come too close. Yeah. What's his warning flight? Stay out of my AO. Yeah. Yeah, see? But let's have some eggs up there. I was getting ready to come down here. Oh. Yes, family, no bite so far. Just one of them there, you know. Well, we're gonna try one more spot and see what happens. Get a couple of bites, but nothing to reel in. All right, so we're moving on. Alright family, we're on our last stop. Hopefully we get some fish at this location. Lynn still hasn't gotten sick, so that's a good thing. Barely. She's out here though, she's alright. So even though it's cloudy, it's still not a bad day. You know? I always wish for better weather, but you know, in the underwater, as we said, just like the range, is a good day. So we are going to see what happens at this spot. All right, stay tuned. Time to head on in. You ready?
Yes.
All right. It's ready to go in, so we'll see you back on land. house on the water. You good, Liz?
I'm good.
Alright. Then made it. It's still a shot.
Give me some fish to take home.
Nice setup.
You like baseball caps or winter hats?
Baseball cap.
What color do you like?
Blue. You have blue?
I have gray, black.
Black.
Complimentary.
Awesome. Thank you.
Getting a freaking fish.
I'll tag you in my video. Oh.
I'll give you this. Two big toys to take off.
Thank you.
For you. You don't have far to drive, right?
Huh?
You don't have far to drive.
No.
right?
No, we'll tag in there. That's awesome.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
I appreciate you. Thank you for your time.
Oh, you don't have to.
Oh, no. I have to. No,
No.
I will because we'll be back.
No, man. I feel bad.
No. Thank you. I
All right.
appreciate you.
All right.
Hold on to that. We'll be back. We'll be back for another trip.
I'll have to get you here during rockfish season.
Yeah, no. Like I said, we don't live far and we'll be back. Yes, family. So we are back at the house. As you can see, we never catch no fish today, but that's why they call it fishing or not catching, you know? But it was still a good day on the water, you know. And guess what? Even though we don't catch no fish, our captain Eric hooked us up with some rockfish. Yeah, man, some rockfish fillet. Yeah. So you know what we're gonna do with this? Yeah, man, we're gonna fry this up, man. Yeah, man. So Eric, thanks again. Hey, definitely appreciate it. One of the guys, go check him out, you know. Eric Goodrich from Stella Charters. All right, see there, Stella Charters, Pasadena, Maryland, 301-257-0838. Really good guy, really good captain. Trust me, he carry all over the place to try and get a bite. And it's not, and I like to the fish them not dead. You could have see the fish them on the fish finder. They just weren't biting. All right, so that's how it go. We never put no out there. So you know, you can't control the fish them out and when them go bite. But again, still a great day. Weather could have been nicer, but again, you know, you can't complain because at the end of the day, we're still end up with fish. All right. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. All right. Again, as I said, I'm gonna put some information in the description. All right. So we'll see you on the next one. All right. Good night.
Good night.